So we just jump in the water?
Yes.
Oh wow.
This happens in the water, yes.
Okay.
Alright guys, come on in.
Okay.
Don't hold on to the rope, just slide on in. Don't hold on to the rope.
Today is our third and the final day on this big island before we fly out to Maui. After exploring Volcanoes National Park, we drove on to catch Manta Ray snorkeling tours in Kailua Kona. Kailua Kona is a little under 2 hours drive from Volcanoes National Park. Let me tell you what she does. The beautiful terrain, we're going down all the way, you see some bumps, good. She gets camera, by the time she opens the window, guess how? We're flat. And then, out of embarrassment, she keeps shooting. This 2 hours drive is another very scenic and mesmerizing route along the coastal line. But do give yourself some extra time, as it's impossible to not pull over every now and then to catch a whiff of Hawaiian breeze and the coastal terrain on this beautiful island. These tours operate after the sun goes down, so we were able to achieve two major things in a single day: Volcanoes National Park and Manta Ray snorkeling tour. Well, exciting time. Now, we just got here in Kona, and look at this, what is at the door? Quiet please, we are dreaming of manta rays, and that's where we're going now. It's a snorkeling where you float underwater, and they, light the light and attract the manta rays. So let's see what kind of experience is this now. See you there.
Come back in, don't be strangers, okay? Come back in.
Absolutely.
We do have a photo. All of it. We have to be on a rare occasion, you can see about the kind of practice that like to all the crabs and fish on the bottom.
So we just jump in the water?
Yes.
Oh wow.
This happens in the water, yes.
Okay.
Alright guys, come on in.
Okay.
Don't hold on to the rope. Don't hold on to the rope. Just slide on in. Don't hold on to the rope. All right. Come over here. You're gonna hold on this loop. I'm gonna pull your leg up.
Harmless to humans, these manta rays are drawn to the spotlights that light up the night to eat plankton.
They come up close to the board because they know that the highest concentration of food is closest to the light. So during the day, are they riding out here too, or do they just put it out? When we leave so they hang out with her about 60 miles from where they're born, so they just kind of go up and down the coastline all day. Yeah. No, you're good.
These mesmerizing creatures sometimes gracefully glide within inches of amazed snorkelers. I remember Manta Rays brushing against my torso a few times.